Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So, do you know your rights and responsibilities as a patient? So, it is crucial for everyone to know about their rights at every place. So, do watch this video and you will come to know your rights and responsibilities as a patient. So, let's begin. So the first right is right to information. So physician or qualified assistant are required to provide adequate information about your illness, its diagnosis, proposed investigation and possible complications to the patient. If the patient is not in the state to understand this, the physician or the assistant is required to provide information to the caretaker. Also, this should be explained in simple language or local language so that the patient or the caretaker can understand easily. Right to emergency medical care. As per Supreme Court, all hospitals, both in government and in private sectors, are duty bound to provide basic emergency medical care. An injured person have the right to get emergency medical care. Such care must be initiated without demanding payment or advance, and basic care should be provided to the patient irrespective of paying capacity. Right to respect and non-discrimination. A patient has right to respectful care. Every patient has right to receive treatment without any discrimination based on his or her illness, including HIV status, religion, caste, gender, age, sex, etc. Right to privacy and confidentiality. A patient has right to have his or her medical records treated as confidential, that means to be kept secret. Information about the patient will be released only with permission from the patient or as required by law. Patient have right to choose alternative treatment option if available. So hospital staff and doctors are responsible for clarifying all treatment option to the patient or caretaker. After a thorough study of their choices, this patient or caretaker can choose to opt for a treatment that may or may not be the doctor's primary recommendation. This also means that once the patient or caretaker chooses this alternative treatment, they will shoulder the responsibilities of its consequences. Patient has right to personal safety and quality care according to standards. So patient has right to safety and security in hospital premises. They have right to provide with care in an environment having cleanliness, infection control measures and sanitization facilities and safe drinking water. Patient has right to know the identity of individual providing treatment to the patient. So, patient and caretaker also have the right to know the professional status of various care providers who are providing services to the patient. Right to records and reports. Patient or their respective caretakers have the right to access the original or copy of case papers, indoor patient records and investigation reports. Right to consent. Consent means you agree with the decision of the doctor or you give permission to carry out a procedure. So if a hospital decides upon carrying an invasive investigation or surgery or chemotherapy on the patient, they are required to do so after completing an appropriate policy procedure. The doctor, primarily in charge of the patient, has to explain the risk, consequences, and procedure of the investigation or surgery in detail and in simple language. The doctor can proceed forward only if consent has been given in written by a patient or a caretaker. Also, valid consent must be obtained before commencing an examination. In case of female patient, she has the right to demand the presence of another woman if the medical practitioner checking or treating her is male. Yes, you have right to take second opinion. So, doctors and hospital must respect your decision if you choose to seek a second opinion from a doctor or hospital of your choice. They are responsible for handling all records, document and other relevant information to the doctor of your choice. The hospital can neither stop you nor discourage you from going elsewhere, only give a detailed examination of health condition and consequence in case of delay in treatment. Right to proper referral and transfer and continuity of care. If a patient must be transferred from one healthcare center to another, a proper and detailed justification must be given to patient or caretakers along with various options of new healthcare center. They must also give a list of medicine that needs to be continued after the transfer. This step cannot be taken unless the patient or the caretaker accept it. Right to know the cost of the treatment. The patient has right to have a written account of the cost they will have to bear for the treatment they are receiving. As evidence for this, hospitals are required to have printed brochures and prominent display boards bearing the name and the rates of the medical procedures that are available with them. Patient has right to choose source for obtaining medicine and tests. When any medicine is prescribed by a doctor or a hospital, the patients and their caretaker have the right to choose any registered pharmacy of their choice to purchase them. Similarly, when a particular investigation is advised by a doctor or a hospital, the patient and his caretaker have the right to obtain this investigation from any registered diagnostic center or laboratory. So those were the patient's rights. Now let's have a look on patient's responsibilities. So patient's responsibilities include for providing complete and correct information about their health and past medical history, for reporting if they don't understand the planned treatment, follow the instruction of treatment including instruction of nurses also, for keeping up the appointment. So they are also responsible for treating others with respect. They are responsible for whatever happens if they refuse the planned treatment, also paying in time for the care and the treatment provided by the hospital, also not disturbing others by making noises and limiting the number of visitors in your rooms. Thank you. Hoping now you must be familiar with your rights and responsibilities as a patient. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and share your views in the comment section in below. Till then, bye.